guys, here I am, just chilling out in the shed, you know, as you do once you've got a new shed. But you guys are probably wondering how we got to this stage. And if you're watching the shed series, you would have saw last week we went through and we got the concrete down. So the guys from JM Excavations did all the work on the concrete, and then the guys from the shed company on the Gold Coast have been back and they've put the walls up, the roof, all the bits and pieces. We'll get you across to have a bit of a look at that, and a bit of a look at me, you know, my first attempt at welding, and my first little welding project, putting some stuff together for workbenches in here. And then we've got some other videos to bring you on the shed series before we wrap it up as well. Everyone's pretty keen to see how we've done the epoxy flooring. So I've got a bit of a video on that to show the process that we went through. So Sally and I did the epoxy flooring ourselves, and a few late nights, and doing the prep work and then getting it all together so that we could lay it down, and it's come up a treat. And I highly recommend everyone to watch that video, because you will not regret if you do that to your shed or garage. So get on there and check that out. And look, you know, the car's looking comfy. It's great to have a shed space to put them in, and you know, I'm just really chuffed about this. It's been something I've you know, wanted to have for quite some time. In the last properties I've never had that really good shed. You know, I've had big open carports and other bits and pieces that had some protection, but just, you know, not what we needed for this. And now I've got a space that not only got the sheds to work on the cars, but even just to chill and have a beer with a mate or two on a weekend. So it's a great space. Everyone needs their space like this. So hopefully that you can get some inspiration from some of these videos and get your own space. In the meantime, we've got more car events to get out to, and we want you to stick around and subscribe to the channel so that we can continue to do what we do. And you know, Tyler does all the effort on all these with all the editing. So you know, I just sit around and talk to the camera and you know, grow my beard. That's about all I do. So give a shout out to Tyler in the comments below for me for all the work he does on the editing. Keep him motivated, because you know, he's tiring out over there. So keep him motivated, and thank him for all the hard effort and the work that he does behind the scenes that nobody realizes. So thanks, Tyler. Keep up the great work. We do appreciate it. In the meantime, make sure you do support the channel as well. Jump on the website and give us some support by buying some merch off the website, or the products. We've got the Schumacher products behind me. I've got the SBI 3 running on the HJ, maintaining the battery there. The SBI 6 running over on Big Red, maintaining the battery over there. Two just great units, and highly recommend that you jump on and support us by grabbing Schumacher products or the binder. You can look how shiny they look. A bit of slick wax on there and parked up in the shed, and they look great. So also all our merch, we've got some new shirts coming as well, but possibly even some hats and bits and pieces in the coming weeks. So make sure that you keep an eye on the website and don't miss out on an opportunity to grab some of that stuff. And support the show and help us out, and we'll keep bringing you content, and we'll get out to some cool events across the 2021. All right, let's roll it.
Right guys, we've done the shed build and now we've got to deck it out. So I'm going to do a bit of welding. You would have saw recently also that I've just learnt how to weld. So I've done a welding course. I've been in MTAQ. Christmas time, I've, thanks Sally, got me a welder. So got a little uni MIG, 185, and we're going to learn to weld. So yes, I've done the course. I've got about 2 hours worth of welding experience. So I really don't know what I'm doing still, but I know how to lay down a weld. So what I've got to do is get the practice in, learn a bit more. So how am I going to do it? I'm going to start building some stuff for the shed. So first off, I've got a cut-off wheel, and I want to get that up and on a little table. So we're going to make a little table for that, and then we'll probably make some workbenches and stuff as well. So let's see how we go with it, and I don't know, I'll take you along for the ride and watch my bad welding. So let's see how bad it is. Don't criticise me, I am only learning. So let's go and have some fun.
After taking the paint off the metal, Dave then got stuck into the welding.
So what do you reckon, guys? You like how it's coming along? How's my welding? It's a bit average, I know. Don't hate on my welding. It's my first attempt. We all got to start somewhere. And here I am, you know, in my 40s now, and never welded before in my life until now. And thanks for the Christmas present, Sally. I've got a MIG welder now from Unimig, so you may see a bit more welding action across coming episodes, but you know, we'll get back into the car stuff for you as well. Mainly, next time we'll bring you the shed series will be the epoxy flooring, and then we'll show you the finished interior in the HJ. So wanted to get it in the shed just before I finished working on it in here, and that's been done. So we've just got to piece that together and get that video up for you so you can check out how that's come up. And I'm so wrapped in it, so it's come up a treat. The HJ is so much more comfortable, looks great. It's it's awesome. We've got some speakers in there now, so replace the speakers with some stuff from Stinger Australia, some Phoenix Gold speakers, and yeah, absolutely brilliant. So as I mentioned earlier, make sure that you jump over on that website and help support the show. If you don't want to buy any products, that's cool. That's cool. You've got everything you need. No issue. How about you just hit like or leave us a comment below? That'll help us greatly. So anyway, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for coming. Stay in that right lane.